Hello, I'm sitting inside my 2010 Toyota Camry, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the clock. The clock's there in the middle of the dash, and right down below the clock you've got a mode button and an up arrow and a down arrow button. So to adjust the clock, then you just need to press firmly down on the mode button and hold it down for a second or two until you see the hour part of the clock start to flash, and then you can just use the up arrow button to change the clock, the hour up, or the down arrow will change the hour down as well. And once you're happy with the hour, then press the mode button again and you'll go to the minutes, and you can use the up arrow to change the minutes up, or the down arrow to change the minutes down. And once you're happy with the time then of the clock, then press the mode button again, and that sets the time. And it's as simple as that. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.